Hey, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by once again. So this is one of the wheel ramps that I received today. Fabricated aluminum, and came in 3 boxes, one for each of those, and then a box for both of these. And as you can see, they come apart, so you can remove this section and then slide under the car on your creeper. So they're not heavy. They're actually pretty light. I was able to pretty much package both of these in the cardboard box under my arm. And you know, this is just big and bulky. It probably takes 2 hands, but they're not heavy at all. Like I said, fabricated aluminum, strong. They stay on with, I don't know why the camera's shaking like that, sorry. As you can see, there's a clip there, and this is the front. I think some people on some of the reviews got this mixed up, thinking that this was a portion you drove the car up on, and they were complaining that it was falling off the pedestal, that it was popping up and falling off. I don't know how they were doing that. I mean, this thing is not going to pop up when you drive up on it. If you had it turned around and had that end up on the pedestal, then yeah, I could see where it would pop up and, you know, fall off the pedestal. So they do go on a certain way. Anyway, let's get the car up on them and see how they look. All right, so I set the ramps underneath the tire, lined it up. My first time on the ramps, I might get my wife out here to just make sure I don't run off of them or something. It's hard to work the clutch and hang out the window. I'm not very tall, but looks like it just clears that rubber piece there, and I got plenty of room on the splitter. So clears it by 1/2 inch, the car's stock height. So let's see what kind of room it gives us when it's up there. Okay, well, that wasn't too bad. I went ahead and drove up it. My wife was out watering the garden, what's left of it. So it wasn't too bad. I just kind of used the handbrake and inched up the ramp till it gets to the stop right there. Quite a bit of clearance. Get a measuring tape on that. Man, that looks like a good couple feet. Ramp stayed in place. They didn't pop up or anything. They didn't slide on the floor as I was driving up them. It felt a little bit bumpy because of the ribs going across the ramp there. But that stop there was definitely a positive stop. Of course, I was only creeping up it. Let me get you a measurement on that front. 18.5 inches at the splitter to the ground. And yeah, I guess the tire's probably only about 9 inches up, but pretty good room underneath. Plenty of room to get to all the bolts. Be able to take the guards off, get to the exhaust. But I'm going to bring the car down off the ramps tonight. I don't have any wheel chocks yet, so I really want wheel chocks behind it. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hit the bell if you want to see more. Thanks for stopping by.